Hey guys, can you fix a crease with paintless dent removal? And you see this crease right next to me on this fender, nice deep crease. A lot of people think that you cannot fix a crease with paintless dent removal. So this video is gonna prove that wrong. You in fact can, if you know what you're doing. All right, here we are about just a little bit into it. You can see the crease is changing, but it is not fixed yet. So I'm gonna keep working. Hey guys, I got this crease all fixed up here on this fender. Let me give you a closer look at it and show you that yes, creases can be fixed with a good paintless dent removal technician. Let's check it out.